This is our Talos Ford Ranger Raptor. Based on the robust Ranger Raptor platform, it marries power, elegance, and the exceptional craftsmanship of Talos. Under the bonnet lies the mighty 3-litre V6 twin-turbo engine. This Raptor has travelled fewer than 100 delivery miles and is available for a competitive £72,995. Delivering an impressive 288 brake horsepower and 490 Newton-meters of torque, this engine ensures a thrilling drive both on and off the road. The Talos touch is evident in every detail, featuring laser linear 12-inch light bars housed in custom color-matched light pods, seamlessly integrated color-matched bumpers, a bespoke Talos grille, and a color-matched wide arch kit and roll bar. The Talos RDP side steps, 17-inch Talos Velocity forged wheels, and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires further enhance its bold stance. Moving on to the equally remarkable interior, you can see beautiful red accents all around the vehicle, from the premium leather seats, kick plates, and dashboard, which contrasts beautifully with the exterior color. There's also a state-of-the-art infotainment system loaded with features. Discover the ultimate in luxury and performance with the Talos Ford Ranger Raptor.